Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the wonderful world of English words to make your language learning journey both fun and informative. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Our word of the day is alike. This is a C1 level adjective that means similar in appearance or nature. It's a handy word to use when you want to describe how two or more things resemble each other. Let's break it down. Alike is used to compare things that share similarities. For example, you might say, "The twins look so alike that it's hard to tell them apart," or "Their tastes in music are surprisingly alike." Notice how the word helps us draw a connection between two entities by emphasizing what they have in common. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. Words like similar, resembling, and comparable can be used in place of alike in certain contexts. For instance, "Their ideas are quite similar," or "That painting is resembling the style of the Renaissance." These words provide variety when you want to describe likeness. On the flip side, we have antonyms like different, dissimilar, and contrasting, which highlight differences instead of similarities. For example, you could say, "Their approaches to solving the problem are completely different," or "The siblings have contrasting personalities." Let's explore how you can use alike in everyday life. Picture this. You're shopping with a friend, and you both see two jackets that look nearly identical. You might say, "These jackets are so alike, I can't choose between them." Or maybe you're at a family gathering and someone remarks, "You and your cousin look very alike in that photo." It's a great way to express shared traits in casual conversation. Here are a few more examples to solidify your understanding. The new model of the car looks alike to last year's version. Their opinions on the topic are more alike than they'd like to admit. The students worked together on a project that showed how cultures can be alike in unexpected ways. To sum up, alike is a fantastic word to describe similarities, and it pairs beautifully with a variety of contexts. Remember, you can also use synonyms like similar or comparable, and for contrast, you have antonyms like different or dissimilar. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you'll start using alike in your conversations right away. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word alike and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode of Hello Word.